Welcome. This is a quick tutorial and to show you how easy it is to find the LAT and also how to use the Lesson Activity Toolkit. If you open up Smart Notebook, this is the screen that you should see. Over in the left-hand corner there is a frame that you can click on, and this is where to find the Lesson Activity Toolkit. In order to open the subfolders, you click on it once and you will see the 5 subfolders that were discussed in the PowerPoint presentation. We have activities, examples, games, graphics, pages, and tools. Now let's click on a subfolder. Let's use activities. I'll click on it once. It opens further subfolders here, or you can look at the bottom and also open up that, and it breaks it down into categories such as interactive and multimedia. You'll see the hotspot that we discussed, and there also is the vortex. If you are interested in editing and using an activity, you simply click, hold it, and drag over to your blank page. You'll notice that the vortex is blank, and in order to edit it, you click the top left button, Edit, and you will see all the labels that you may change. So let's say my students were doing a sort activity with the United States and Canada. 2 features might be provinces and states. Now I do have to put the corresponding labels. So we have provinces are in Canada and states are in the United States, so that is set. Once you are done, you hit OK and you'll see the labels on your vortex. Down here are the pieces that you manipulate, and let's say provinces, the students thought that they represented United States. It will bounce back so they can try again. And if it is correct, it sucks into the vortex like so. Now let's open up a new page and close the activities folder and look into other subfolders that we talked about. So here's the games portion. In the games there are pictures, interactive and multimedia, notebook files, and pages. Let's look at the pictures we discussed, like the checkers board. Click and drag, and the students may play checkers on your board as easy with the click of a button. Alright, now let's look down here, and there are checkers, all different colored checkers, and different, even 3D, 2D it looks like. So let's click and drag. Now it could get annoying to click and drag all the way from over there, so let's open up a new page and show you some features of each image. If you click on the top arrow there, you'll see it drops down a list such as clone, copy, delete, locking. We showed you locking, and with locking you can lock in place each image so that the students cannot come up and manipulate if you just want it to stay stationary. Also, you have to unlock in order to edit, so you just click on it again, the little arrow, and it'll give you the option of unlock. And once it's unlocked, you can find your original list there. So let's look at Infinite Cloner. This is a pretty cool option because it allows you to keep cloning the image as many times as you want, which could be a little simpler than going all the way to the left and dragging it over every single time. Alright, let's open up a new page and show you some examples over in the LAT. So open up the example folder and you'll see there's pictures and notebook files and pages. Let's look at some pages. Here's the balloon pop that was discussed, and this is for showing students which words are verbs. So if they are correct and they click on a balloon, it will pop and show them a check mark for correct, and if it is incorrect, like apple, they'll see an X. So students can manipulate the balloons, and it's a fun little way for you to teach concepts. Alright, well there were a few different ways that you can use the Lesson Activity Toolkit and to show you how easy it is to use and manipulate and edit features.